Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling a common issue when working with Dify and code blocks. Installing extra Python package. I ran into a bit of headache figuring this out, so I am going to show you the right way to do it. My workflow goes like this. I grab information from a wiki page. It comes back to me in JSON format. Then I use a code block to pull out the HTML content from the JSON. Now HTML can be really long and messy, full of all sorts of text. It's a huge string of characters. What I want to do is turning the HTML into a nice clean markdown format so it looks good in my Dify output. To do that, I saw I could use a library called HTML to text. That's where things got a little tricky. The code block runs inside a special container, Dify sandbox. So the first thing I tried was to modify the Docker Compose YAML file. You know, the file that bring up Dify. Then to build a custom Docker image, I thought I could install HTML to text layer. I spent 2 whole days working on this, but it turns out I was completely wrong. Inside the Dify repository and go to Docker folder, we should study the Docker Compose YAML file first. So you can see the sandbox image is here, and you can here is volumes. The proper way to add Python package is to modify the dependencies file. Inside the volume folder, it should contain a Python requirement file, a txt file. Here is the sandbox and the dependencies. So after you bring up your Dify with the command docker compose up -d, the persistent volume will create in this folder. So we just enter the package name here. Then we'll stop and remove the sandbox container and using the docker compose up -d again to bring up a new sandbox. It will install the package during the boot up. After that, your library will be available inside your code block. This is the proper way to add extra additional package for your Python code block. Thank you for your watching.